Hello student. So in this chapter we have read till now is locomotion and skeleton, function of skeleton. So in second part 2 we will study the skeletons की कितने parts होते हैं, like a skull, backbone, rib cage, shoulder bone, bones of the hand, hip bone. So next let's start one by one. So the first one is skull. The bony part of our head is called skull. Skull का function क्या था? What is the function of skull? Skull protects the brain, protect the main sense organ, like this one is our sense organ. This one is our sense organ. Okay, so it helps to protect our sense organ, ears, nose. Also skull gives shapes to our head. ये आपके head को shape में देता है. Now come to the backbone. So backbone क्या होता है? Backbone आपके पीछे की जो हड्डियाँ होती हैं, that is called backbone. It is a long hollow rod-like structure running from neck to the head inside our body. Okay, and then function is provide main support, because you cannot stand properly or sit properly without the support of backbone. Okay, you can easily bend, even you can easily bend your body with the help of backbone. Backbone support the head at its top. Backbone attaches shoulder. This one is our part of the shoulder. Okay, so it is attached with our shoulder and hip bones. Okay. Now comes to the backbone protect the spinal cord. Inside our backbone we have a spinal cord which backbone helps to protect the spinal cord from the injury. Okay. Now come to the rib cage. So this is cage, formation of cage, like आपको देख cage की तरह दिख रहा है. And when the ribs are curved bone, ribs are the curved bones in our chest. The hollow bones, a structure formed by the ribs, is called rib cage, because the collection of rib cage or forming a curve, that is called rib cage. And what is the function of rib cage? क्या करता है? ये internal organs like as heart, lungs, liver, इन सबको protect करने में काम आता है. So it helps to protect the lungs, liver and heart. Now comes to it also helps take a part in a breathing movement. So when we breathe, our lungs gonna expand. So it helps to protect. It helps to take a part in our breathing movement. Now come to the shoulder bone. Shoulders are that part of the body to which our arms attached. हमारे shoulders में जो parts होते हैं वो attached, arms से attached होते हैं. And we have two bones which form a shoulder bones, like as collarbone and shoulder blade. This is also a shoulder blade. So what is the function of these two bones? Collarbones on the two side of the neck and shoulder apart. ये shoulder के दूर से थोड़ा सा apart में रखने में काम करता है, और ये attach होता है neck bone से. Shoulder blade attach the arms to the body. Okay, shoulder blades provide side for the muscles attachment which move the arm, and for that this is gonna help for the movement of our hand. So what is the function of shoulder? It mainly helps to the movement of our hand. Okay, so bones of the hand, we can say that bones of the hand is divided in three parts, like wrist, palm, fingers. So wrist consists of 8 bones. So it consists of 8 bones, like as this one wrist, and it consists of 8 bones, which is called carpal. And palms, this is our palms, which consist of 5 longer bones called metacarpal बोलते हैं. And the third is finger, are made up of joint bone called phalanges. So these are the bones of our hand. Okay, you can see that there are 3 bones in the fingers. We can see this one and this one. We can see these are the 3 bones in a in a fingers, like this one is this one, this one and this one. Okay, now come to the hip bone. Hip bone form a large basin shape at the lower end of the backbone to which the legs are attached. What is the function of the hip bone? Hip bone support and protect लोअर ऑर्गन्स ऑफ द बॉडी साइज इंटेस्टाइन को प्रोटेक्ट करने में आता है, यूरिनरी ब्लैडर को भी प्रोटेक्ट करने, इंटरनल सेक्स ऑर्गन्स को भी हेल्प करता है. हिप बोन प्रोवाइड साइज फॉर द अटैचमेंट ऑफ द मसल्स दैट मूव लेग्स, हिप्स एंड ट्रंक. So this is the these are the parts of the skeleton. The next onward we will discuss the joints of the body. Thank you.